The proper preparation of a building substrate is critical to a successful exterior painting project. Giovani Sandoval with Stokeys Custom Painting is pressure washing the exterior surfaces of this stucco and siding house. Pressure washing removes the dirt, cobwebs, scum, pollution, crud, etc. that accumulates over time on building exteriors. Observe the loose paint flying off and the dirt flowing down the walls as Giovani moves along. You may be surprised to see the amount of debris on the stairs that was pressure washed off the walls. Always apply ceramic InsulCoat Wall according to painting industry standards to a clean, dry, and sound substrate.